How's it going, everybody? Bryce Green here with Big Kid Blocks, and I want to show you guys our Legend Detail Kit. So this kit is fantastic. It is a 13-piece kit, and I'm going to kind of walk you through the different styles of what's happening in this kit. So each style that you see here are different sizes. All right, and so each one of these comes with 1/4 inch, 3/16 inch, 1/8 inch, and 16th inch blocks for each size that we have going on here, okay? These are fantastic due to the different rigidities. We use these specifically for wet sanding, but you can use these for all sorts of areas. If you like, you're trying to get a smaller area and you don't need such a fat block, go ahead, throw some sandpaper on this and you can sand that out. These were specifically designed for wet sandpaper pretty much, so if you took a full sheet, you folded it in half and ripped it up, it'd be the same exact length and you could just wrap that sandpaper right around it. It also comes with a little square cube. This is great for D-nibbing, so you can throw some sandpaper on that, hit a little D-nib there and then polish it out or whatever you're working on, so this does come in handy quite a bit. So this full kit, full of all these blocks, is just fantastic to use. Like I said, each thickness has its own purpose, from super flexible to more rigid down to the 1/4 inch style. So head over to bkblocks.com, get your guys the Legend Decal Kit. You will use it all the time. Thanks guys, and enjoy your projects.